Hey guys, welcome to the Lash Adventures of Jen. So this, I guess, would be round 2. I'll link round 1 somewhere. Round 1, not so successful. Not a complete disaster, but not so successful. So for this round, I've decided to try RevitaLash. So actually heard about this from one of my mom's coworkers. She's a huge fan. So I ordered it. The cheapest place, because I know that Amazon has it, the cheapest place that I was able to find that I knew was like reputable as far as like it's actually RevitaLash and not like some imitation, I went through Walmart. So I will leave a link below on how I went about getting it. I got the 3.5 milliliters, which is supposed to be a 6-month supply. So it comes in this nice box, and this is what it looks like, and it has just a little brush, and you put it not exactly like it's not supposed to like be all up on your skin. It's supposed to be like right next to like the skin and the lash. So I'll show you. I'll do it tomorrow morning. You're supposed to do it each morning. I do the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. Though my hope is that I could maybe develop normal lashes from this whole experience, because I barely have any in the first place. So I feel like if I were to develop lashes that like a normal person has, I would be really pleased. I stick very consistently to this exact mascara and the RevitaLash every single morning on my upper lash line. So please work. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I apply the RevitaLash in the morning. So I'll insert a picture of the directions, like exactly where they want you to put it. That is what I do. And then I go about my makeup, and then I guess like the last thing that I'll put on is like eye makeup and stuff. I'll do my face makeup first. That is it. Hey guys, so this is the 6-week RevitaLash check-in. So I am not wearing any makeup because I didn't in the first like intro video, my before pictures, so I wanted to keep it consistent. So I'm going to take a picture close up with my eyes open and my eyes closed. I do feel like I have a little bit of lash growth, but not as much as I was hoping for. And I know it's only 6 weeks and it takes 12 weeks for full results. And I'm starting from not so great lashes. Some of the other posts that I saw, people started with like very average lashes. Mine are very short and such. So I'll do my 6-week pictures, and let's see if we can see a difference. And either way, I'm obviously going to keep doing it every single morning for another 6 weeks, and hopefully there is a very noticeable difference. Okay, so here is my coat of mascara, which thankfully looks better in person than it does on camera. But I'm actually thinking maybe there is more of a difference. I don't know. So let's take a peek. I do think that they are in better shape, but I really hope that there is a more significant change in 6 weeks. So we shall see. Hey guys, so I wanted to do this before I put any mascara on, but we are at the 12-week point in the RevitaLash trial, and I am really happy. It has actually worked. I believe, because I had such crappy lashes at the beginning, I believe I have now attained normal looking lashes, if that, you know, relative to what I had, I have really great lashes now. So it does definitely go down onto the bottom lashes as well. Like I didn't put it separately onto my lower lash line, but when I would close my eyelid and put it over like the base of the lashes, it would get down there anyway. So if you were, you know, wondering about putting it on your lower lashes, I think if you put it on your upper lashes, like the way it recommends, it ends up getting those bottom ones anyway, so just letting you know. I'm really glad I did it. I'm going to keep doing it. Again, I didn't have any weird side effects or any other issues with it. I just swiped it on each morning before I applied makeup, and I did it like first thing, that way I could like brush my teeth and like pick out my outfit and do all that, and then put the makeup on top of it because I kind of wanted to let it to like absorb and such. But I am really happy and I'm going to keep using it, and I'll leave the link below because, like I said, the cheapest place I could find it was Walmart. If you can find it cheaper, you know, do what you do. That's just like in my looking around. I think the next cheapest I found was Amazon, but I think that Walmart was substantially cheaper. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you, and I'm super happy. I am now a believer. I'm going to be using this. I know it took me a little bit longer to get results, but I now have what many people consider to be normal lashes as opposed to my original lashes, which were just pretty much non-existent. So thank you guys so much.